Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm on YouTube's homepage and here I'm going to click on a video, and to create a playlist I'm going to click on these three dots, and here I'm going to select save, and here I'm going to click on create new playlist. So let's name our playlist, so let's say game trailers. And you can either make your playlist public, private, on unlist. So if you select unlist, when you share the links with your friends, they can access to the videos, but it would not be appeared on the search. So let's keep it private, and let's say create this playlist. So let's go back to YouTube's homepage. And here on the left side menu, you will see your playlist, and let's add another video. Just click on here and click on these three dots and select save. And let's check to our playlist that we want to add our video clip. So let's close this tab and let's go back to YouTube homepage again. So in order to view your playlist, you can either select from here or you can click on this library button, and down here you will see your playlist. So let's click on view full playlist to access our videos in this playlist. And that's basically how to create a playlist on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.